A very good morning to Dr. Nick Nomonira, is the lecturer of our subject Mechanic of Machine. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lizibel Pawon Anawi, and this is my group member Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Suhaimi, Muhammad Alif bin Zaid Yusri, and the last one is Najah Wahida binti Zamzam. The topic of our project is Furniture Lifter Tool. I will start my presentation with by explaining the introduction of our project. Furniture is essential to our everyday lives. We use it at home, while we're working, and when we're out for shopping, at the cinema, or traveling. A well-designed and researched furniture can improve our quality of life when we like how it looks, it gives us pleasure, and when it makes us comfortable, it can increase our efficiency and productivity. Furniture lifter tool is a great tool for helping us moving the heavy furniture and objects. Ergonomic design easily lift and move our heavy appliance without strain on our back. Background: the word furniture comes from the French furniture, which means equipment. In general, furniture produced in the past 5,000 years has not undergone innovative development in any functional sense. Only since the mid-20th century, with entirely new synthetic materials such as plastic and completely new fabrication techniques such as casting, have been a sign of a radical revision of the concept of the furniture. Beginning in Italy in the 14th century, the Renaissance spread throughout Europe in the 15th century. Italian Renaissance designs looked to ancient Greece and Rome for inspiration. Ornamentation reflected architectural elements, and some cabinetry design even resembled facades of buildings. The French Renaissance style was inspired by Charles traveled to Italy, and Henri II style was the most influential style in French furniture. The furniture makers began to integrate our own styling into the furniture. As the Renaissance style spread to the Netherlands and to England, less and less of Italian influence was seen. So, in the modern generation, humans produce furniture lifter tool to make life easier. We don't need to worry about the furniture moving or rearrangement will be a treat or disaster to our beautiful and expensive floor or furniture. And this is the objective of our project. Firstly is to make easy furniture lifter tool using cheap material. Secondly, to make our furniture moving more easily on our own natural strength. And the thirdly is to avoid damage at our furniture and floor while moving the furniture. Okay, next I will pass the slide to my friend. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Najah Wahida. Okay, for methodology, I'm going to talk about project specification, project features, and project costing. Okay, the project is furniture lifter tool for easy use household appliance. For project specification is to confirm that the terms are appropriate and suit the project requirement. In other words, this is a list of the project physical characteristic. There are two items for this project, which is roller pads and lifter. For roller pads, the height is 4.8 cm. Base area for length is 13 cm. Base area for width is 8 cm. The mass for roller pads is 300 gram. It built by using material, plain wood, and roller. We binding it by using screw. Next is lifter. The height for the lifter is 11.3 cm. For base area length is 61.2 cm, and for the width is 20.5 cm. The mass is 1.3 kg. To build the project is using hollow steel and plastic wheel. We binding it by using welding. This is roller pads, and this is lifter. Okay, next is project features. There are 4 main items we using to build the project. The first one is plain wood. It's a thick wood which is lighter in weight. Okay, the second one is roller. Its ability to withstand momentary shock load. The third one is hollow steel. Is the safe weight of the section is also reduced, hence less hosting and transportation costs. Lastly is plastic wheel, which is high mechanical strength, good toughness, and high tensile and compressive strength. Okay, the last one is project costing. They have 4 items, which is plain wood, roller, hollow steel, and plastic wheel. Firstly, for plain wood, we are using 1 quantity, which is at ringgit 99 cent. Okay, next is roller. We need 4 quantities, which is 1 ringgit 49 each. So the total for roller is 5 ringgit 69 cent. Next is hollow steel. We only need 1 quantities, which is 12 ringgit 50 cent. Last one is plastic wheel. We using 4 quantities, and the price is 2 ringgit 6 cent each. So the project costing in this project is 35 ringgit 69 cent. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass it for the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali bin Zaid Yusri with metric number CN200122. I will continue the application of mechanic and also the calculation. There are 2 concepts applied in the experiment. The first concept is a lever concept, which we can use on the lifter. So in our experiment, the first cast of lever is involved because the fulcrum is situated in between load and effort. After we calculate using this formula, we found out that 1.028 kN of force is needed to lift up the load. The second concept is friction that apply on the roller pad. So the roller pad is attached beneath the prism. There are 2 types of different surface, which are surface cement and tiles outdoor. The friction of both surfaces are calculated with same formula. So for the surface cement, we can calculate that 199.14 Newton is at least amount of effort to apply this load on this barely concrete surface with the coefficient 0.58. Lastly, for the tile surface, we can conclude that 216.31 Newton is at least amount of effort to apply this load on the tile outdoor surface with the coefficient 0.63. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to technologist Dr. Nick Nurmunira Bidimat Hassan and my fellow friends. Okay, firstly, my name is Muhammad Amrul Hakim Miswaimi. Okay, for this slide, I want to explain about the discussion for our project. Okay, we have get 3 discussion from our project. First, we determine the design of the furniture lifter as well as the dimension of the lifter. Okay. Second, we have used our knowledge to calculate aspect of the lifter as a dry friction. Okay. Lastly, we also apply the theory lever concept because determine how much force required to hold up the furniture to pull on the roller pad. Okay. But in the syllabus mechanic machine, we have not learned about theory of lever concept, but we apply it because to determine how much force to hold up load of furniture and put on the roller pad. Okay. For the calculation for our project is first the lifter furniture that we build up could hold up the load furniture that imposed on it. Second, we have discussed and decide that design because its structure of joint that related several important mechanical mechanism such as application, the drive friction and lever concept in this project. Okay. As my friend to calculate, we have calculate a drive friction and lever concept because for our project is related to two application. Okay. Third, we also learn design and fabrication that have a large base area will provide greater stability because we make the hypothesis, but not me and not my group. Everyone have a logic hypothesis because large base area will provide greater stability. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.